So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this instruction course on clinical low vision. Can you see my slides?
Yes, sir, very clear.
Wonderful. So we bring to you this instruction course from the beautiful city of Jodhpur, which is the jewel of the great Indian Thar Desert. So my colleagues and I are from this lovely city. So welcome to the instruction course. To begin with, I would like to tell you that the specialty of low vision is very poorly represented in our country. And that is the reason why the twin goals of this instruction course are to understand the concept of low vision and its treatment, and to develop the necessary clinical skills to identify and treat low vision cases in our day-to-day practice. So visual impairment has got a devastating effect on the quality of life of an individual, and it has economic, social, as well as health consequences. So rehabilitation of such person is essential to enable them to develop normal daily living skills so that they can lead their lives productively and independently. And rehabilitation is a comprehensive service which comprises of functional evaluation, clinical examination, optical and non-optical aid evaluation, patient education and instruction, and proper follow-up care. So the goals of low vision management are basically to make an individual maximize their visual potential by offering them increased functionality and linking them to community resources and support with the provision of low vision aids and education. Rehabilitation is actually a joint task which is performed by an ophthalmologist, an optometrist, and a rehabilitationist. And all of them has got specific tasks, like the ophthalmologist evaluates the patient clinically, assesses what types of low vision aids are required, specifically taking into account the type of disease the person has, the prognosis of the disease, and whether he will require any surgery or medical treatment, surgical or medical treatment later on in the future. And the job of the optometrist is to provide the best possible refraction and actually dispense the low vision aids. Now, the idea behind this course is to make you amalgamate the low vision skills of an optometrist and an ophthalmologist so that the participant is able to provide low vision aids to almost 80% of the people who come to him. Now, this course is divided into 6 different sessions or sections, beginning from definition and epidemiology to the principles of treatment through to the latest technology in the field of low vision. And I now hand over the mic to my colleague, Dr. Ghulam Ali, to conduct the second session or the second section of this instruction course. Over to you, Dr. Ali.